All right, guys, coming at you with another home tour here. We're in Tulsa today. This house is in a great location. It's a 4 bedroom, 3 bath, over 2,300 square feet, full remodel. If you guys saw the photos from before, oh, you would never even know this was the same house. I think the sellers did a fabulous job. I think their color choices are great. So before we keep going here, real quick, if you're new here, my name is Ryan Hensey. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team in Tulsa, serving, of course, Tulsa and the surrounding areas. So whether you're looking to make a move now or in the future, I would love to help you make that smooth move to Oklahoma. And if you like home tours like this, be sure to subscribe for more, and let's get back to the tour. So we're in the utility room now. Great space. Love the marble floors. And then you've also got a half bath right there, which is great, right off the garage. So when you really got to go, no worries there. Kitchen is fabulous. I love the backsplash, loads of counter space. Obviously, it was an open house today, so we got people in the kitchen, and that just shows you it's great for entertaining. Heading on into the primary bedroom here, great space. Got kind of a light blue wall color, which is kind of interesting. Different master suite bath setup, but I do like it. Good sized closet space there, but you do also have another closet as well. So I'd probably use the other one for like a shoe rack or something like that. Moving along, you do have this gorgeous, fully tiled shower, which is just stunning. And then you've also got your vanity as well. So love the shaker cabinets throughout. If you haven't noticed that, I do like the hardware. I think that was a good choice. Moving upstairs, then we're going to go this way first. You do have this really cool game room slash bonus room in here, which I like the can lights in the ceiling. And then you do also have, let me back up a little bit, you do have like attic access up there, which is pretty convenient. Oh, let me back up just a little bit. There is also these plugins on that landing, which is great for your TV or whatever. On your way out of the bonus room, they do have some attic storage there. You do have the vinyl plank upstairs as well as downstairs. So if you've seen my other videos, you know it's basically indestructible. So it's still really popular in a lot of remodels and even in new construction. Decent sized closet there for this bedroom. Moving on, you do have a full bath right here. I'd probably personally switch out the light fixtures to more of a white light. I'm not a huge fan of incandescent, but that's just personal preference. Really gorgeous shower there. You've got dual vanities. Moving on, of course, like I always say, let me know what you guys think in the comments if you're still watching. Would you buy this house? Or share it with a friend who might be thinking of making a move to Tulsa and they're curious what our homes look like. Nice linen closet right there in the hall, leading into this other bedroom, which is a huge room, by the way. Could almost be a second master suite. Moving outside, got a great look to the back, of course, continuing with that black and white modern theme. Really good sized yard as well. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one.